11th July 2025 and your quarter abrekuma abatoɔ no ɛyɛ 19 police stations no a parliamentary seat no yɛkɔto ho aba ensem bebre na esiye no medimu nsem bi nso ɛde ɛbrɛ abusua ha yala media Ghana message so be subscribe wa like and wa share na ɔde ama me fast forward ye wura nsem ni mu yenye esi die hu die esi wa abrekuma north a kwa banane tumi huri kosoro edi ni ti ehe do ba besi opan more than Roman Reigns when you Brock Lesnar then you will bu ni mfie gum o man is fear. Yes, this is abrekuma sphere enye easy sansemi ane ohia TV Abronye DC the TV station now what here ono de as what say ye no yes of Payin Duncan Williams ho nsem ko an wo kan ene de wo firi ho na de abegura eye omampanyin John Dramani Mahama asoeye na wo say omampanyin Hitler ayenese emene ontumi nkasa emfa abrekuma north asema esi ho no na Abronye mpacho Ghana for say country say Hitler enye kaka eye toothache Hitler eye de eye wonsa no aha friends bi say friends kaka dia aseden yeah ana kebe mebua ase kaka dia eno ye friend Hitler enti no Hitler enye kaka enti ne tia ne say wo say kaka aye President John Dramani Mahama say emene wontumi nkasa na oma ekobo eye Hawa Koomson enumo makani nyina no there are people ye training womo aye campo mo Jubilee House aye duomu koye there's video bi na number bonten that's what that was say unedited not just a video no ye nkati bi mfiri ko fa bi mehye mu no mo Jubilee House na say ye deploy womo so mo nko no mo nko bu nkofo ukọ na wa gauge nipa no ngwa achia no wa kuri na dia man panya no da ho yes say no hwa ye tietie bi no wo fom no ni ade ye nko hwa video ni emra no wo kasa
nti se onima my lawyers na wodu o machi same jamfinim no let them guide you let them lecture you nano ye wieye mukwadi nkwase asem wieye no ebesi nei Jubilee House entimi mie na no nkasai ene abrekuma north de kaka brofo kra de sen Hitler yeah bibisa ye course to school so sa ne ma na ye kai kaka brofo be ye Hitler yeah bibisa menyi ni se obi betima tena YouTube wa challenge me say nye kaka brofo no ne Facebook wo monye very careful monye very careful mo amuti YouTube wo no ma yibia na mo challenge no boku dia minimbuku pa munye sa na munim hwencheme wote ase nanu na mokwa abrekuma kwa bronkrofo prepre omo no enei kaka aye President John Dramani Mahama on abrekuma no kaka aye no se ne de kaka aye nense e wa abrekuma no fo ntu onkasa but onyano enisie ekasa wo ayawa so every year biano mo the pictures international community ya boabo ye ho awie ye beyi niama kwana mo fa so ehedi oba na samdodi aboa we akobo police ni na police ni boni bia mo the international community so mo hwe ni esiye how much more say aboa bi ba ne ho kankane ne ho fi ne ho kankane etimi huru kwasoro kwa hede Hawa Koomson boho na ndie yemfa international community ekwana abanwe etete ma ekwana abanwe di militant akobo ma ne yenka hohwe aduru international community etindei President Mahama se wanya Hitler kaka ntu onka ho asem kaka na ebeka hosa na kaka no so bedi wati mukwadi sa bone no before ansana mo be kwa abrekuma north no na mo de sa mrantie we besi nei farisofoso kwachi antimi mfa statement ma say enye nokora say vagabonds no enye nokora say militants no enye nokora say sa vigilante guys no ye do mo ba Jubilee House besi ne ontimi kan but there is a video unaudited video. There is an unaudited video. A free Jubilee House waba. Na video ni chira say, some vagabonds way, some militants way. Ye house or Jubilee House. With the assistance of some unprofessional police. As a police for na yehu omono, sa police for na yehu omo honom no. Ama some militants way, some vagabonds way no, yetimi ma binum kura police atade sheye. A video after Jubilee House waba. Communication minister ato wuram Jubilee House wa to wuram. A bra video ni likiye. The Inspector General of Police, station boy, what told them a brave video will leak here until me boy. Until me boy. Now, if a him fan yebekwa presidency or mining nani your house of militants, a him fan evidence in the unaudited video. Monfantra manfo. And never seen nay Inspector General of Police entimen kasa video we wasem. And young one wants out social media. Obia say tete yo onu de on sem fata say in the first place obeye ayi IGP. Hey, and nay say what they Commissioner Lydia Donko, IGP Adwumasha nsa. Hey, me mfa ho say amanfo kaso ye Ibrahim Mahama yire. Me da mfa ho. Commissioner Lydia Donko, the current CID boss, me mfa ho say amanfo kaso ye Ibrahim Mahama yire. Ba ono ena ye IGP a ko be ye nyansa dwuma chen papa na onama na ne mpabo ewuro no. Kobe ye nyansa dwuma chen papa na onam oso na ye IGP onam ne mpabo ewuro no kobe ye dwuma chen. Yes, because what the current IGP at the any Commissioner Lydia Donko gina ho Lydia Donko experience no at Pacey that of Tete Yohonu Bebre. Senior police officers omugu headquarters one experience omu Tete Yohonu onibi. And so omu nya adwuma no na wagye atanso na onama enam se wabo akokranti onama na ne butu wuro na ne butu wuro ne trousers wuro ne butu wuro nanka IGP enye wani wu say police officers any militants and the Jubilee House. Inspector General of Police, anyone who say, "Wo, people are using police uniform. Militants who won't even conquer your operation. A shame on the Ghana Police Service say, yeah, to 19 polling station, and the Ghana Police Service say they don't have men. Ghana Police Service say they don't have the men, and they are calling on the party in government, you know, not party in government anymore, men." No mon fan call running 19 polling station. A shame and the insult to police officers I am from. A insult. You what? Thousands of police officers. Thousands of police officers in the country. I combat Mako. But that you say only men. And the party no and man vagabonds men. Party no man militant to support selected police officers. It's good that we have the video. It's good that all those who attended the Abrekumanov random, you were money, you were everything. Yeah, they are good pen drive so and ye be a trunk in a dear tomb. Sabaya Kurabia and Quatam pen drive no and Kori and Panko Tonkoni, Eguwa. Na video we buy and if we are IGP, video we buy we are president doesn't say kakayen. Communication minister kakayen because money magwase Mufisa muti Jubilee house wo. You can do whatever you want a video and my bunting. You lie bad. Hey, mujina honum na no. Ye the drone na ye pen. Ebeba betwa. And Crofona jina hona betwa dia breye. Boys na modo amukoye operation no, omo de bebreye. Dia mbeye bia, omo de bebreye. Now, mukoye san to trasem wiye no, o mind bia. Say, a militant or vigilante group and a professional institution or professional security agency like the Ghana police, any militant group, ebe year juma together. Or mind ben or mind ben a professional security agency like Ghana police service, any militant group, ebe year juma. You are telling us how Nigeria Boko Haram for the police for year juma boom. And some rant here where now modu amoko ablekuma no funo. Omo ye Boko Haram asifo. Some rant here now modu amoko ablekuma no funo. Omo ye Boko Haram asifo. Na timi huru kwasoro. No se me ko head oba atwi fam na obiti social media no dubreti and Inspector General of Police catch say that guy cannot be identified. That guy cannot be identified. Inspector General of Police who catch say Abronye no huri kwasoro eko headi Hawa Koomson. You are telling the Ghanaian people say Abronye omobo national a deputy organizer, no, those boys cannot be identified. We thank you. We thank you. Kofie, unam pabwane uro no. Fako, unama, pabwane be uro sa aduati. Fako fie. Fako fie. Ye nyase, yese prede Mahama si kakaye no. Yati, kakano so nye no. Se ne ye kwa. I rerun was some polling station near Buobia or Sikakayan, Yati Yadawasi. Na Basintale Wiyen or the 15th of some vagabonds way. Basintale Wiyen or these militants and Maku 15 echo Dubai that same day on the 11th with the business class. Ghana for Musiko. Obia kwa ye ni macho sem no wo ukodi lies ukwato aba no. That is how they are using your tax money for. That is what they are using your money for. Ukwasora homachi NDC ya fi President Mahama ye kwa kwato ama no ye sankofa no. Wo mokwa ye ntutrasem ewo abrekuma wiye no. That night, na Basintale de Mako 15 ako Dubai. Ayede wayi yesika ene tuaka. With the first class, with the business class ticket. Basintale, we 11 funano. Ona ne girlfriend, any militants in nyina wamuko Dubai. And I make catch say wo na fremane ekoye basa de. Me fed bones here, ka o Basintale kamba no pe. So nima, antino, kram ha wote ye no. Tobuase. Nano, Basintale na daso no. Owie ya no mumisa say on the 11th. Oko Dubai na wanko Dubai. Ye wie, abrekuma ba election na no. Basintale, one, some vagabond boys, wamuko Dubai, anadwo no. Basintale take it na me yatremu. Me manati asia say. Hey. Very good. Na the producers see the answer mo papa ba. And na Jordan tia Friday akomu nyewe. E duru fie da na bone abo mutim. On pese mu ko fie ntem. Ko bia pese ko no girl. Anini o obia nhwe 11th July. 11th July. Basintale kodi ensemfun wieye no anadwona no odo man ni sika producer mane naso anadwona no betim di atonche ne kakra this way na mo fan tonche take it, you know, I mean they take it very good. Yes, odin sam hunu wie 11 July eye fie dai a okwa omkwa bro nkrofo e ma moja tu omo no owie na Malik Basintale business class e no twaye ena ono na esene no ena that's one no enti mo amhwa no mon kan kyense me se oye small boy okroma mon kan kire Basintale se me se oye small boy e okroma mame enti ameka se wa convicting ho no nam me ampipi mabai mu e ma me nka se Basintale de mrante kobo obi e wa brekuma anaye because buo ne de me meye bia teka enti me mfa no mo no kwadu na mo ni CV no eno na me de bebo no kwadu atinatum ohwa de no apini ho Friday no odin sam hunu awie ye otu ye de ko Dubai ene nie EK 788 11 July boarding gate A106 boarding at almost to 11:15 almost board 11:15 p.m. Friday no almost ko Dubai almost ko ji woman ni weekend see nyina na Basintale ne girlfriends ene militants for no nyina no e de why sika etwa business class de ne board dene ensa papa wo ye sukwa no matesel utimi ka se baumia enom nsa anye nokore wo ne wo fa business class ne de wine papa ba besi wanim business class bed ya etise wo ye wo Basintale asukwa no ma wonya adwumada asukwa no ma a wonhu adwade akura nwie wotimi ka sa akofo ado adwade wo premu wo ne wo to kwan a business class ya mpadam etise wo da fie eno na utwa our flight in mo so ta business class ya bed ya wo yusu no wo dan wo benya the same thing our business class wo aduane bia wo na ma opese odie no wo twa business class ya wo nya no wo business class ya be serve en sabia wo be ko hotel papa se kimpiskio say hio wo pese wo be ko akoto anom no wo twa business class ya wo nya no business class honom me yemetie wo me tu kwankra ne yenwo fresh boy ya fra no pre ne yenwo and so me nka business class da me nka first class da be economy na ja me ne me mere wafuoi omoteme ncha ye de nkomokomo saa ye nyina so ye duru pe but wo akra keto a wonya adwuma da apart from wo national service na wo ya na obekwa akotwira asem a wankwa twira nchema ukoye national service wayiye na sesa ukotwira wo train papers ni chema wan twira nchem no wonya adwuma da enne wo to kwana wo de wayiye dini no watwa business class na no mutu o time ya o mutu ye tu a year gate ni be krosu 11:55 na 2 na ko Dubai ebe kwa ko duru Saturday anopa seat number Basintale seat departure aye 12:15 omutu Ghana ha 12:15 Basintale ni seat number aye 16E business class 16E meso obaya mobo kroma Basintale obaya mobo kroma o me kire wo say wo no na frema ko hwini na te America ode me ba koche ka wo metima wo kasa kura no yamfa nkocha ko gina wa koche upanyini wa ya adwumada uba wiase wa ya adwumada oni nam krom hana borikis ana wo keka borikis na wo keka wa ya adwumada yes business class inside no Basintale to kwanya flight way empa waya momisa no waya adwumada business class inside no eti se ono ati ne fie aduane bi a opene de abrɛw Basintale no enne Basintale tu kwan na woye otia na to social media na Basintale eduru se wo ono tio NDC millions of NDC youth a wo mo bo amadwo Mahama baaye no omo kita certificate akese ebi kita master's degree miensa ebi kita first degree papa bi and now omo frɛ Basintale no do amato why list so and no cry pending wa woni certificate no hwɛ enjoyment wo se ba omiano monsa and so ne wotwa business class ya ye de wine ba no wanom no goma grom Basintale na o akisi ba omiano na no okotena emre flight mu ne ya ma ne wine no watu ano no wanu ne nyina Basintale a o se ba omiano monsa no na no Friday okwa Dubai business class ya de man no seat number 16E ya de wine besi ho alcoholic wine na Basintale abo asana gibie mabo osi anopa no na nia bie ti say pete and so no nya platform o se ba omiano monsa omiano monsa na officer is smart. Momfa the picture ba kono meto. Just Friday wa hu say uwie ya udwan ko Dubai ya chew. Machew. Officer airport wono e odia. Officer wa buy na ba. Awo say the messia display mo sa ankofo we no. Mo ba ye mo say wo Basintale. Ubaya mo bo say why ye sika na wudi no nyafu wo nkrafo mo certificate ba wo so mo nkwada why ye mode so ne ye ma mo 500 Ghana ba wo tu kwana you spend more than that e betima fa nipa 50 aduma wo ya wo gina hoyi ena nede nsa akese akọwa akese na atwa business class a wonom te say wo de ho na officer ye smart and now you remember ya de bi a wasana ya akyere mu me be yi ade bi a waye akyere mu na nwumre me se na me wono so medi me time so apon for the selefo no de me force na ma hit am because wo ma bon no mugu o communication department and there say egu no na Monfa Basintale picture ba kono meto nchensa ka na ogina ho no Monfa sa ka no mra na menkyere na de na menkyere nse me wo krom chen Basintale within 7 months in office ka wakwa akoto no 7 months in office no officer yes smart ana wako DVL no makotwa fake DVL number plate Basintale no akura kitwa we fi so ye smart akura we fi so ye smart 7 months in office ka wakwa akoto no prayers omuji omabobora abo omo kasi bi ana Basintale atimanya sika akoto ka we no eye kwame desfy no mo wo ma omo bra nya sika ampipie lo mas nom ampipie lo mas nom ye ma omadwuma kakra no makoto no mu dwa omanu wo mo na toka we o Ibrahim Mahama nom 7 months in office Basintale akoto ka we no toka we wie ye no na fede na hwe ne nkoto so odigina ni na left ni na left to say ayi Jena Ali Bongo Jena Ali Bongo sasa na no mo so sanko ono post na hwe Basintale ni na left ya otoka ni wie ye no officer ye smart munyi ba ko no take it ni mfirim na yem hwe ka na de no 7 months in office Basintale toka we wie no officer ye smart into officer oye ka no 2025 wa Ghana for beka so na nanu ada ka Basintale wakotoni ena wakwa ye fake DVL number because ka ne board ne pa Ibrahim Mahama nom na eto Kwame Despard no mo fori sapon no MPP Elon Musk no Elon Musk kura numdwa ota no osu ba ende ota kodo ma no ayi ni milka we de Elon Musk betimato ba de nya Basintale we de me master o kan o ta kodo ma no ayi ni milka we de master betimato master betimato o ta kodo ma no ayi ni milka Basaka we die Basintale mo bra bia se officer ye smart okoto ka no wie ye no ahu se Ghana fo be ka ho asem hey Basintale ena de ka otim nie ena de enti ne waye ne se wakwa akopɛ DVL fake number plate in wa backdate no at the 2024 enti so nam kroma mon fan ton chen so nam kroma number na mo hunu Basintale 2024 no oh Basintale dey say not car num kran na NDC ba power I am telling you today say we akora ko fasat tricks no fa ko class one denum you bought this car in March 2025 Basintale you bought this car in March 2025 Ubedu ya sika ye the bribe wa wuje ye na within 1 year hwana no pirim and ade koto car we and atim na officer you smart and to a ye no and a wakope number plate and a why no Basintale 2024 into a nam kroma yes so boy we there no one sika dada and san NDC ba power who bondo uba kroma na same jamfinum na tomaudi Uba kroma na omune same jamfina na twa hotels nyina ama wo ene kire me kwan kra no wudi o manim kan uba kroma same jamfinum ene to uba na se wo kọ as a regional communication officer same jamfi ene ma wo Basintale wo fro flight first ka wo fra lupreda domestic flight same jamfi na ma kwa we ane na left efro domestic flight come fro bi da akwaya ogira ne na left Basintale no same jamfi ene ma Basintale fro domestic flight first now free Savannah region bar as a communication officer ofa VIP no waba lande a train na same jamfi edwa kwa kogina airport no wa take it amount same domestic flight o Basintale ka on fro bida Same jamfi na do two kwan first international flight same jamfi na do fru be first o Basintale meboa kasa meboa nti waya bia na mo enne wakoto ka we officer we smart we akora even same jamfi na o bisa na same jamfi na ya mo boss no me nkura na o nyina o me nkura na o nyina bisa o me nkura na o nyina me ya senior man na mete o me nkura na o nyina and to amunim say me wo musum o mu fidi o mu nsa Abronye ba no matena so because me ba with eagle eye o mu hu same jamfi sum ni fidie erika je so ni fidie o hu se ba senior man ba ese so pull back because therefore there we ya obehu ni o ye bia obehu and to amunim me entro masamba entre na no sameni agrada asamba ya manfo from semenka bi ko kambia wan hwe ya ntima ye din mitemba mesemenka bi but wo kwatoka 2025 o pesa o kire Ghana for say wo Basintale wo ye smart enam say wa buy na wo power nti wa kom ye twa fake number plate because wo nama no police officer and the big baby say Basintale car no registration documents why over catch them say me you don't have any right to ask me. That is what you will tell the police. And so me catch us a sad number way Basintale 2024 no after the producer pull number ni ye bra wanim faka ne bra na kwana ne na left no fa bra wanim ne anhwade maka ne mra na nim na obi anhu bi sa Basintale 2024 no and na left ogina ho no oto no 2025 no wako DVL ama yatwa number plate say on register car bia ye Basintale 2024 bia on register car bia sa fake aye this year no talk car no had a fake number plate e de ato ho ma yere ne be boss wo kroma ye be hu ne besie producer enko break mra
Abushia and Dahon Malik Basintale at Jenedie, what ya man left and right. But President John Dramani Mahama, Ghana of what social winning. And send me see Jesu Ablikuma Northern, a dang how walk a far over. I say Ghana of what you winning mass, why a silence will issue no. Where they saw Brabontin, na Becassa, na IGP, where they saw when you get so. Shana and Kofu D said Jumano, and SBSC Emre Chem. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Obano, or say, we are resetting in just a year, Quayachi, Akofa, and Niama, ye Chemo, ye condemn ye say any no sandia, but ye resetted and ye resetting in good, not the issues now, a Chema and Yenu, Ubitiam and nice on Ra, into an eminent many to me, was in his mitiam and nice to be Dabi. Young Conessa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, when ye NDC, the ABMC say no, while you are manning in His Excellency, Mr. DSC, ma young one so Jobeka, a family, IGP, one ma this Edumano, share na phone family, consider be a peace and order, a bayeduma, our man. A high island media Ghana. I say me, why don't you for to comment session, me ba, making kind of.